Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Play Protect scan settings, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Google Play Protect scan settings, begin by unlocking your Android device. Locate and open the Google Play Store app from your home screen or app drawer. Tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Play Protect. In the Play Protect section, you will see information about the current. Ensure that the Scan Apps with Play Protect toggle is turned on. If it's off, simply tap the toggle to enable it. Next, you can review any recent security scans by tapping on Scan Now. Wait for the scan to complete. Once finished, you will see any results or recommendations for apps that may be harmful. To manage app permissions, go back to your device's main settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy. Select Permissions Manager to review permissions for each app. You can adjust permissions as needed to enhance your device's security. For additional settings, return to the Settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Security. Ensure that Google Play Protect is. If needed, explore other security options available to bolster your device's protection. Regularly check your Google Play Protect settings to maintain optimal device security. By following these steps, you can ensure a safer app experience on your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.